win the first quarter, we'll win the fucking game. These boys are a tough comp. Alright, they're fucking rough, they know what they're doing. But so do we. We know what we're fucking doing, and we know how to do it better. Alright? We're gonna go out there and fucking win this.
Said you got to be man on. Their 2 goals have come from just us not being engaged. Pull that trigger on the inside if it's there, okay? Way too slow there. It clocks everything up and it fucks everything forward. Rotating if you
Just set up with one in the A pad.
That's what.
Make sure we got one.
Bring it in. Boys, that's one half. Alright, we got one more half to go. That's not gonna happen. We're gonna fucking do it better and we're gonna fucking win it. Yeah. Third quarter's the fucking premiership quarter. We know this. Dogs on 3!
Use your options, short, then long. Yep. Pick them apart so we can get out the back. If we keep doing what we've done for the whole day, you'll win this game.
Yeah, the other one is just behind. I reckon because they all suck forward, the one's just behind, and then try and bring it around.
Boys, listen up. Soul, where the fuck are you? That was fucking beautiful. Yeah, Soul! Because they're gonna fucking come out cocky again. We're in their heads, and this is our quarter, this is our death. Come on, then! Demon Dogs on 3! 1, 2, 3, Demon Dogs!
Stubbins is a win!
Work, Joshy!
Good work, Josh.
Good work, Tom!
Yeah, baby! Good work, boys. Yeah, wait!
That was awesome. That is us at our best footy.
Starting in the centre, Sol. Yes!